All right, friends, since we kind of already explained it yesterday, I'm just going to read the questions to you and you are going to answer them. So select the shape or shapes that have two sets of parallel sides. So it can be one or more shapes, so make sure you click all of them that have two sets of parallel sides. Select the shape or shapes that have one set of parallel sides. So again, it could be one or more that have one set of parallel sides. Which of the shapes are quadrilaterals? Again, it can be one or more. Name a shape that has two sets of parallel sides. Rectangle, triangle, trapezoid, pentagon. Name a four-sided shape with sides that are the same length and four right angles. Triangle, trapezoid, square. Mrs. McDonald needs a fence to make a rectangular pen for her pigs. The pen needs to be 6 meters long and 5 meters wide. How many meters of fence does Mrs. McDonald need? Fill in the blank. Mrs. McDonald needs blank meters of fence. Remember, you're finding the perimeter. Mrs. McDonald wants to put a fence around her pool and hot tub. Her pool is 9 feet wide and 7 feet long. Her hot tub is 4 feet wide and 3 feet long. Pool fencing is sold by the foot. How many feet of fencing does Mrs. McDonald need to go around her pool and hot tub? Fill in the blank. Mrs. McDonald needs blank feet of fencing. So how much fencing does Mrs. McDonald need around her pool and hot tub? So you're finding the perimeter of this whole thing. The next one, now you need to find how much more fencing does Mrs. McDonald need for her pool than for her hot tub. So how much more fencing does she need for her pool than her hot tub? Use the picture and the descriptions to find the perimeter of the shape. Fill in the blank. The shape's perimeter is blank inches. So it tells you what each of the sides is. It says F is 2 inches, G is 4 inches, and H is 10 inches. Mrs. McDonald builds a fence next to her barn to keep her horses in. Her plan shows the fence as a dotted line below. Together, the barn and horse area make a rectangle. The fence goes only where there is a dotted line. What is the length of side A? Fill in the blank. A equals blank feet. So you're telling me what A is. Then you need to find what the length of side B is. And then the last one is Mrs. McDonald builds a fence next to her barn to keep her horses. Her plan shows a fence as a dotted line below. Together, the barn and horse area make a rectangle. The fence goes only where there is a dotted line. How many feet of fence does Mrs. McDonald need to build her horse area? Fill in the blank. Mrs. McDonald needs blank feet of fencing for the horse area. So basically, you are finding the perimeter of that right there. All right, good luck, and I know you're going to do great.